For the past 5 years, you guys have been asking me, Joey, what on earth is going on with the Windward Motel? Unfortunately, as you may know, over 5 years ago, that motel caught fire. It did not look good for many, many years until today. Because guess what? It's officially reopening as another motel. And look how beautiful it is. It's a new motel called Isla. And I'm gonna give you guys the first exclusive look inside. At this very moment, they're getting bookings open, actually live in about a week. And you guys will be able to stay here. They get many different options, and most importantly, it looks gorgeous. Wait till you see what they've done inside. Before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons at patreon.com. It's because of them we can do videos like this. If you want to support the channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. That aside, let me share this with you because honestly, they did a fantastic job. This video is brought to you by Matthews Pool Supplies. Whether it's pumps, filters, heaters, LED lighting, floats, and more, they have everything you need for your pool, including products from top brands such as Pentair, Hayward, and Jandy. To make it even better, they have free nationwide shipping on all orders, $50 and more, plus they have a cashback rewards program, part of their Splash Cash rewards. For more information, visit njpoolsupply.com. Matthews Pool Supply. Pool dreams delivered. The Isla Motel is located at Bennett and Ocean Avenue. And honestly, the last time that I stood right here, there were fences all around. Just a quick little reminder that when this fire came through, we're actually probably some of the first people in the scene to get drone footage of that. And that entire wing on that side over there caught fire. Since that time, MW Wildwood pretty much gutted the entire building, even down to the plumbing. They redid everything, reconfigured the rooms, upgraded all the amenities, and now I can finally share it with you. Before we go inside, let me go ahead and give you guys a quick little tour on the outside, especially because today it's 90 degrees out, and boy, do I want to jump in this pool right now because it looks, honestly, it looks so amazing. Today, as I'm giving you this tour, they're actually finishing up some of the final details and everything, including the fact that they're actually painting the sign right now. This is actually our local artist, Russ. He's actually putting the sign up at this very moment. Here's Russ here putting the sign up. Looks good, man. You know a lot of his work down here from the Honky Tonk and a few other things. I'll tag him down below if you want to go ahead and check out some of his artwork. He also does classes down here, which is a lot of fun. With it being 90 degrees out, man, I'm honestly wishing to jump in that pool, but we'll do a quick little tour. Here we go. So they do have an ADA room. Here is the ramp to get into that room where they actually even have a roll-in shower if you need it. You can see it leads up to these two doors here. And what is cool is that this motel is kind of set up to be customizable to your vacation. They have a standard room in which you can, obviously 2 people, 1 room, doesn't have a kitchen in it. They also have suites where you can have a 2-room suite, or if you wanted to, rent the room next door and open it up so you got 3 beds, which is fantastic. And for those with kids, some of these have bunk beds, which are fantastic. Anyway, before we dive in, let's go look at this pool, please. Because this pool looks so fantastic. I want to jump in this so bad. So this is your regular pool, goes up to 8 feet, 3 feet over here, 5 in the middle. Here's a little kiddie section, which I think is great. And what's fantastic is the fact that you can go ahead, wake up in the morning and maybe swim by the pool for a little bit, get some breakfast and head to the beach, or maybe go to the beach for a while and then decide, you know what? Take a quick little shower, get that sand off of you and go for a quick swim. Oh, I love that. Once again, I want to jump in this pool so bad. It looks so good. Honestly, it feels really good over here in the shade. A nice little breeze. The water feels great, but I know what you're waiting for. Can we please see what it looks like on the inside? And a lot of people actually asked me, Joey, did they change out everything? Yeah, they changed out all the layouts, like I mentioned before. And so I'm gonna go ahead and share with you, let's go and check out a suite first. And as we make our way over to the one I'm gonna share with you, which is actually upstairs on the left, first of all, can we talk about maybe like how beautiful these railings are? This is gorgeous. They honestly did a great job bringing this building back. On the left-hand side here, you'll see a common area. This area everyone can kind of hang out in. Plus, it gives you a nice little view of the pool area. But like I said before, we're gonna go ahead and check out this room right here. where, wow. First of all, let's talk about massive ceilings in here. Remember that when the fire came through, unfortunately destroyed half of the building, and so they decided, you know what? If we got to put a new roof and a ceiling, let's go ahead and just extend it up. And so it feels massive in here. This is just one example of how one of these suites can be laid out and how they actually look, because a lot of them have different tables. Some of them are for a bigger family. If you're doing a smaller suite, they have one for 4 people. And so this is what your countertops look like. It's perfect to go ahead and actually cook your meals down here, because it's becoming more and more common that people decide to cook at least 2 or 3 other meals in their house. And to me, this is the perfect size, because you really don't want to be cleaning up too much, and it has a dishwasher. Can we add that in there as well? Because you don't want to be on vacation having to completely keep washing dishes over and over again. And across from the kitchen, you have a living room. You have your TV here, which I think is funny because many people don't even use their TV anymore because they're down the shore. They're out on the boardwalk till late and they pass out once they come in because they're so tired from all the fun. Got a nice little couch and a seat over here. And then here's where you can customize your entire vacation. Because like I mentioned before, you've got a standard room you could rent out, or a suite with 2 rooms, or a suite with 3 rooms. And when you do the suite with 3 rooms, you're essentially unlocking a door, which is right over here, because that's a standard by itself. It has a lockout on it, or you can rent that out. So that way, if you want to go ahead and maybe have, 4 adults, and then you've got the kids' room with the bunk beds, you can work that out. Or if it's just 2 adults and 2 kids, you can also have that as well. Or if it's just 2 adults and you don't need all this space, then you can go ahead and rent the standard. And let me go ahead and show you what I'm referring to when it comes to all of these options. First, let's start with the kids' room. When you enter, you're greeted with this awesome bunk bed. Look at this. You could probably even put 2 kids down here and then put 1 on top, so maybe even 3 kids. But it even gets better, because while it looks like it's 2 bunk beds, there's actually another bed underneath. If you were to remove said ladder, let's just place this over here for a second, you can legitimately pull this out, and you have another bed. So you could almost put 4 kids in here. See what I mean? They really thought of everything when it came to families here. I mean, that's what the Wildwoods are all about, making beautiful memories with your family. And so they want to make sure you can fit all your family in one place. They also added a lot of cool artwork in here. I love this one. If you're a Jimmy Buffett fan, you would notice his plane here, his parrot, a couple of his signs. But let's go across the way to the parents' room. You can see a nice sized bed in here. It's nice and bright. I actually really like the backboard. And every room is different with different decor, different things on the wall. Got yourself a closet over here. And I know what you're saying, can we please see the bathroom? Surely. Let me give you a quick little tour. This is going to be your shared bathroom. And they did a great job. Look at the flooring here. I love this. Look at the tile in the tub itself. And yes, it's a shower and a tub, because you never know when you want to take a bubble bath, and or if you got kids, you got to bathe them. Yes, once again, they thought of everything. And they also added in some artwork as well. I really like this artwork. Looks really neat. But Joey, we have another set of adults that want to come with us. Well, this is where you can go ahead and add on a standard room, because it was this door over here that's a lockout room, where this is usually a standard room, but it connects right to the other one if you want to have it for, once again, another set of adults. And this one is a big bed, man. Look at that. I also love the coloring scheme here. The color scheme is awesome. You have a TV, little storage area down below. Got yourself a closet on the left-hand side. You can put your suitcases in here or hang up what you need to hang up. And they also have their own bathroom. And this is a shower with the pebble floor. Not a tub. Once again, different than the other ones. Every room is a little bit different. And once again, that's the beauty of this place. You can customize your entire vacation. How many people you have coming? Well, You could stack on the rooms. To me, the modern motels of the future are all going to be exactly like this. When you come in, they're gonna want you to feel like you're home. Gone are the carpets, small little spaces. They're building these new ones. This is what they want. This is what you want. Actually, I've been asking you guys for years what you think a modern hotel would look like, a motel. And it's happening. It's finally happening because we're seeing more and more places like this pop up, and these guys did it right. I mean, look at this living room. I love this living room. Look at this. Am I right? Every single one of these rooms are kind of laid out in that same way, like I mentioned before, where you can add it on. Because that was one, that's the suite. This is 1A, which could be a standard or you can add it on. If I move down here, it's the same exact thing where you've got two. This itself is a suite, a smaller one, which I'll show you in a second. And then you can add on the room next to it. And so this suite is just a little bit different, where you've got a smaller table over here, which can be a 4-person table because these arms actually fold up and down. And you get the 2 additional chairs over here. Your living room still has a couch and a table and a TV. You move into the kitchen. It still has everything you need. Dishwasher, you got your fridge here, of course your stove and your oven. Everything you need, by the way, is here. So you got your pots, your pans, you name it. These are actually the really cool ones that you can actually clip on to whatever you need to, pull it out and go. I'm not really good at that, but those are really neat. And then down here, you've got your rooms and your bathroom. Left-hand side are the bunk beds. Once again, 1 on top, 2 here, and then you could pull this out and it could be, once again, another bed. Over here, you've got the parents' room. I really like the color of this. This is pretty. You've got some artwork on the wall as well. And then in the middle is your bathroom. This is a gray tile now. I like this color tile. And this one, once again, being a tub for the kids. And just like the other room, you need more space. We have another adult joining us. Well, then you can rent the standard next door. And they have a massive bed in here, and I love that bedspread. It's pretty. Of course, as just like the other one, you've got your TV, a little storage area, a closet on the left, and then a bathroom, which is once again a pebble floor and a stand-in shower. Heck, you could decide you want to rent the entire wing of this hotel on the downstairs. You could totally do it. It's all about customizing it for you guys. And of course, it looks gorgeous on the inside and it looks gorgeous on the outside. But I know the one thing you guys are asking me is, but what does it look like from the seagull's point of view? So I figured, even though it's a little windy, let's put that seagull in the sky. It's incredible, right? It looks so beautiful. They spent a lot of time and a lot of money bringing this place back to life. And I have to give a lot of credit to them. I don't know if you know MW of Wildwood. They've been doing a lot of projects down here for many years, going back decades. And every time they do a project, they do it right. And they did this right. They made something that was hideous and kind of really bad looking on one of their main stretches here on Ocean Avenue, and turned it into a beautiful motel. So thank you to them, and thank you to them for letting me come here and showcase this to you guys. Now, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, guys, I'll see you on the beach, which it's right over here, but I'll be honest with you, probably gonna take a dip in the water. I'll see you guys later. Bye.